Step 1. Form partnership. This step involves working with stakeholders to determine objectives and to determine the overall process of the intervention. Define request plan. The purpose of this step is to define the goals of the intervention and to define the performance levels, and finally to clarify the steps to come. Step 3. Performance analysis. Performance analysis means observing projects and daily activities to identify current strengths and weaknesses and compare that with the desired results of the intervention plan. This type of analysis finds performance gaps in this way. Step 4. Define gap. A performance gap is a discrepancy between desired performance and actual performance. An analysis uses performance gaps to identify root causes of problems in a company. Step 5. Define objectives. An objective is a goal usually written out as a SMART goal to state the purpose of an intervention. Step 6. Select design interventions. The first step when selecting interventions is to describe possible interventions and to explore how the interventions will help in the design phase. This is completed with a time frame for the intervention as well as a list of resources required to complete the intervention. Step 7. Implementation of interventions. During this step, a team will be chosen along with the finished intervention plan itself. This step is very involved. People will be needed to facilitate the intervention. Step 8. Measure. This step relates to the designing of the evaluation plan. This includes assessments and formative assessments during the intervention. Step 9. Monitor. Observing and evaluating the implementation plan happens here. The project manager oversees and solves problems during the step.